Let me tell you about ginger peel and how your body will adore it. Ginger peel contains vitamins such as vitamin C, minerals like potassium and magnesium, and antioxidants, which help promote overall health. In this video, I will share the cancer-combating benefits of ginger peel, how to peel ginger, and the uses of ginger in different recipes. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. First, let's see what science says about ginger peel. 1. Antioxidant properties. The peel is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and free radicals in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. A recent study discovered that ginger peel swabs have more antioxidant power than potatoes, garlic, and onion skins. A study of 2023 published in Food Chemistry revealed an unpeeled ginger is higher in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory polyphenols than peeled ginger. 2. Boosts immune system. A study done by MBAYNWOHA and her team in 2013 revealed that it contains antioxidants, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties, aiding in the body's defense against infections. 3. Helps to combat cancer. Morelli et al. In 2015 also discovered that there's zingiberine in it, which might help fight colorectal cancer because of its antiproliferative effects. 4. Antibacterial action. Ginger peel can knock out a bunch of nasty bacteria strains. For example, Escherichia coli, Bacillus megaterium, Bacillus cereus, Staphylococcus aureus, Colototricum falcatum, Fusarium maniliform, and Rhizoctonia solani 5. Digestive health. Ginger peel contains fiber, which can support digestive health and help prevent constipation. It also has compounds that may aid in digestion and reduce nausea. How to take off ginger peel. The bulk of ginger's flavor comes from its acid flesh that is within the root's paper-thin skin. The skin is so smooth, it comes off easily and doesn't need much pressure. The smooth edges of a spoon work so well. Gently press the edge of a spoon against the skin and pull it down. It's easy and safe. The use of knife or peeler is not recommended. How to use ginger peel. Cooking. You can leave the peel on when adding ginger to soups, teas, smoothies, or stir-fries. Tea. Boil the ginger peel in water to make a mild, soothing tea. Put coins of unpeeled ginger in hot water for the tastiest ginger tea. The peel may contain more fiber than the rest of the ginger root infusions. Use ginger peels to infuse water, broths, or marinades with flavor. Thanks for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe.